All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your boy Mawizzy. Go. You already know what time it is. So, what do we start with first? This is our second session of the Arabic alphabet. And what do we start with first, right? Can anybody tell me? What do we start with first? Bismillah. So, all right. Bismillah. Right there. Bismillah. So, we learned we should already know what this is. Aleph. Right? We should already know what this is. Ba. Right? Aleph. A. Aleph. E. Aleph. U. E. A. Ba. 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 B. It's an E sound. Some say E, some say I. But we're gonna say E for right now. Ba. B. Boo. Aleph. Ba. Line on the top. A. Line on the bottom. E. Upside down 6. Up top the letter. U. Ba. B. Boo. Okay. What I like to do is I like to keep writing. So I'll write on them. I'll write the letter over and over and over and over just so I can get it right. So what I recommend is you write each one of these letters 10 times each. If you write them 10 times each on a piece of paper or whatever you're writing with, I think that'll help you go with the flow quicker when you're writing. Okay? Need a better eraser. All right. So we got the next letters. So we got Aleph, Ba, Ba. Then we got two dots. Looks like a smiley face. Ta. 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 So it's right to left, like a smiley face. Top. So we put that on top. What is that? Top. So we put this in here. What is that? T. We put that there. What is that? 2. All right. Then we have Tha. So this is what letter? Ta. This is what letter? Tha. Tha. T-H-A. Tha. Okay. My board keeps moving on me, guys. Sorry about that. So we put it over here. If this is tha, 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 ta, ta, ta. If we add the line on top, ta. Bottom, T. Upside down 6, 2. That's tha. Thi. Thi. Thu. Tha, thi, thu. Ta, ti, tu. Tha, thi, thu.